Running a JavaScript program in Notepad involves creating a JavaScript file, writing your code, and then executing it in a web browser. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Notepad. Launch Notepad on your computer. You can do this by searching for Notepad in the Start menu or using the Run dialog box. Write your JavaScript code. In Notepad, write your JavaScript code. This can be any valid JavaScript code, such as a simple alert message or a more complex program. Save the file. Once you've written your JavaScript code, save the file with a JS extension. Choose a descriptive file name for your JavaScript file, such as script.js. Open the file in a web browser. After saving the file, navigate to its location on your computer using File Explorer. Double-click the JS file to open it in your default web browser. Alternatively, you can right-click on the file, select Open With, and choose a web browser from the list. View the output. The JavaScript code will be executed in the web browser, and any output or interactions will be displayed in the browser window. You can interact with the program as you would with any other web page.